Myself Namrata, and today we are going to start with the first topic from your science subject, namely growing plants. Now we know that this planet Earth is made up of some of the living things and some non-living things. Out of these living things, it consists plants, animals and microorganisms. When we consider the factor plants, there are variety of plants, number of plants that exist on this planet Earth. Some are small, some are grass-like structure, while some are very big. Now, these plants, or for animals also, they follow certain characteristics. For example, in case of plants or in case of animals also, they can breathe, they grow, as well as they reproduce. Now, what do you mean by reproduce? Reproduce, that means they have the capacity, they have the ability so as to produce another living thing, another living being like themselves. So, this is known as the process of reproduction. See, reproduction, it is the process by which plants produce new plants like themselves so that their own species, it remains on the surface of Earth. For example, when we consider the mango plant, after reproduction, another new mango plant, it arrives. So, that is for reproduction. Now, in case of plants, we are going to see reproduction in case of plants only. So, when we consider for plants, this reproduction, it occurs through different factors. We know that the major parts of the plant such as root, leaves, stem or seeds. Now, for plants, this reproduction occurs with the help of these factors. Reproduction through seeds, reproduction with the help of leaves, stems or roots also. First, we are going to start with reproduction with the help of seed. Most of the plants, they reproduce through seed. This seed consists of the major parts, namely seed pod, seed leaves or cotyledons and embryo. So, for structure of seed, here I have shown structure of seed. So, first one, that is seed pod. You can see in this figure, seed pods, that means this is the outer hard covering for the protection for the new seedling. When seed it germinates into new plant, so that is nothing but formation of seedling. For the protection of that new seedling, seed pod is there. So, this is hard covering only. Inside that seed pod, seed leaves are there. Seed leaves, they are also known as cotyledons. Now, when we consider the term seed leaves or cotyledons, in some plants they have one cotyledon, while in some plants they have two cotyledons. If they have one cotyledon, that is known as monopod or monocotyledon type of plants. Mono means one, so it is named as monopod or monocotyledon. And if they have two cotyledon, that is known as dipod or two dicotyledons. So di, that means two, so dicotyledon and monocotyledon. These seed leaves, they contains the food which is that is the stored food which is used for the period or during the period of growth. So that is for seed leaves. Here are few examples are mentioned. Plants such as rice, wheat or maize, they are said to be example of monocotyledon. They have one seedling, one seed leaves. While for the plants such as pea, gram or beans, they have two seedlings. So that is dicotyledon. Now, the next one, that is embryo, another important part for that seed. This embryo, it lies between the seed leaves. In figure it is drawn here, embryo, that is another, that is the baby plant, and that germinates into the new plant. This embryo also contains two parts, that is tubule and radicle. This radicle, after germination, during the process of growth, this radicle, it develops into root, while this tubule, it develops into the stem. So, this is for the structure of seed. In our next video, we are going to see which are the necessary conditions for the germination of seed. What are the important factors that are required for the plant so as to form the another kind of plant. That is for the process of reproduction, which factors are necessary. Thank you.